Attention. School. Stand it is. School. Attention. Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
Get ready for the prayer. Prayer begins.
Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में सुख सदा देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में सुख सदा देना बहा दो प्यार की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा कर्म हो सेवा हमारा धर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा बसे बस जन बना देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में सुख सदा देना बदन के वास्ते जीना बदन के वास्ते मरना बदन पर जा फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में सुख सदा देना ओम सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति
School. Stand it is.
A successful man is the one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. The key to success is hard work, self confidence, and dedication.
If hard work is your weapon, success will follow you. So do your duties and forget about the results. On this note, we, the students of class 11C, commence today's assembly program. Our motherland is a shelter for us, which facilitates us security and many more facilities. Pledge is an oath to fulfill our duties. To show love and respect towards our motherland, here comes Anjana with the pledge.
School. Attention. Get ready for the pledge. Pledge begins.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
proud
proud of it. Rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give
I shall give
respect to my
respect to my
parents,
parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and to my people,
and to my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
School, stand at ease.
A new day brings us new strengths, new thoughts, and endless possibilities.
To enlighten our mind and brighten our day, here is Anjana Shaji with a thought.
Good morning. Today's thought. The clean person is not the one that runs away from the dirt, but one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment. Meaning, it is not about running from our own work, but it is about the one who takes their own time to clean up a dirty environment. It is our own responsibility to do works. I repeat my thought. The clean person is not the one that runs away from the dirt, but one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment. Thank you.
We are students. We must update ourselves with the latest news.
So, here is Andalana and Rahul to update us with the latest happenings in and around the world.
Good morning. Today, myself, Andalana, and my friend Rahul here with today's news update. First, some international news. Australian University developed world's first bionic eyes. It fully restores vision in blind people. This means to be one of the greatest scientific achievements in human history. International flight, British Airways to resume Chennai to London flight from today. Norway to offer COVID vaccine to the children aged 12 and older. Now, some national news. India has gifted 2 mobile medical oxygen plants to Bangladesh to support the country fight against COVID-19. Gandhi Shakti scheme to provide framework for national infrastructure pipeline plan, said Sri Gadkari. Positive signal for Indian real estate sector as the economic normalizes in a positive trend. Now I hand over Rahul from State and Sports News.
Thank you, Andirana. Now some state news. First dose COVID vaccine for all above 18 before September 10, says Kerala's Health Minister Srimati Veena George. The state government, after a meeting with experts on Wednesday, said there was no need to worry about the rise in the number of COVID patients and that the spread of the infection will soon be controlled as vaccination has progressed well in the state. IIM Kozhikode initiates supplementary MBA seats for international candidates. Now some sport news. Kerala Blasters signed 25-year-old Chencho Jason for the Indian Super League. Barcelona's 18-year-old Ansu Fati to slip into Messi's famous number 10 shot. Tokyo Paralympics 2021. Aravind Malik finishes 7th in shot put final. Shuttler Pramod Bhagat sails into semis. Now some Himachal news. Himachal CM announces 14 developmental projects worth rupees 40 crore in Kullu. Forest ecosystem project launched in Himachal. Draft of food and nutrition policy ready, says Himachal CM. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hope all of you got updated with latest news headlines. Now, here are Aishwarya and Ruddhi with their special presentation relating to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic.
Good morning. Today, myself Aishwarya and my friend Riddhi is going to talk about COVID-19. On 31st December 2019, WHO was informed of cases of pneumonia of unknown cause in Wuhan City, China. A novel coronavirus was identified as the cause by Chinese authorities on 7 January 2020 and was temporarily named 2019 nCoV. Most common symptoms of coronavirus are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms are aches and pain, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes.
After effect of COVID-19, memory, concentration or sleep problems, muscle pain or headache, fast or pounding heartbeat, loss of smell or taste. Vaccination. Doses given 529 crore. Fully vaccinated 212 crore. Percent of population fully vaccinated 27.1%. Location India. Doses given 63.9 crore. Fully vaccinated 14.6 crore. Percent of population fully vaccinated 10.7%. Vaccination that are available in India. Zycovo D, mRNA 1273, Sputnik V, Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, Covishield, Covaxin.
2019 will reshape our COVID-19 will reshape our world. We don't yet know when the crisis will end, but we can be sure that by the time it does, our world will look very different. Now, my friend Rithi is going to show how to wear a mask. First, wear a mask so nasal clip is over the nose. External pleats should face downwards. Open mask pleats so it covers mouth and nose. Tie upper string first, then lower strings. There should be no gap between face and mask. Do not touch the front of the mask. Remove by first untying the lower string and then the upper string. Replace mask after 8 hours or when damp or humid. Dispose the mask in the recommended manner. Clean hands after removal of mask. Do not reuse single-use mask. There are a set of promises we need to follow as part of COVID-appropriate behaviors. Greet without physical contact. Maintain physical distance. Wear reusable face cover or mask. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Wash hands frequently and thoroughly. Regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Avoid unnecessary travel. Discourage crowd and encourage safety. Do not circulate social media posts which carry unverified or negative news. Call national toll-free number 1075 or state helpline number for any queries. Thank you.
EBSB or Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat aims to promote mutual understanding between people of different states.
As part of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, Kerala is paired with Himachal Pradesh. Now, I invite Sri Bala to sing a beautiful Himachali song.
चंबा कितनी दूर है माहिल मेरी सिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर सिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना सिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना चंबे जाना जरूर है चंबे जाना जरूर सुदूर है चंबा कितनी सुदूर सिमले निवसना कसोड़ी निवसना सिमले निवसना कसोड़ी निवसना चंबे जाना जरूर है चंबे जाना जरूर.
Learning never stops. Learning should never stop. A good vocabulary is essential for every student to improve their communication skills.
To add a new word to our vocabulary, I invite Sakshi.
Good morning. Today's new word is sanguine. Spelling S-A-N-G-U-I-N-E. Sanguine. Meaning optimistic or positive, especially in an apparently bad or difficult situation. Sentence. As major sectors rebound, experts are sanguine about India's economic recovery post third wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
A single lamp can light thousands of lamps, which means a single person can inspire thousands of souls and bring happiness in their minds. Try to become that single person and enlighten the thousands.
With this thought, myself Sheetal and my friend Shalini on comparing and Tirtha in command are signing off from today's assembly program. Thank you.
School, attention. Get ready for the national anthem. National anthem begins.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय भारत विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ नाशिष मागे गागे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Hello. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just a moment. I thought that before national anthem, I may say two words. Anyway, congratulations, children. All of you have done very wonderful assembly program. And I had seen your talent during our inspection, annual panel inspection. All of you had performed very well. And our cultural program as well as co-curricular activities are going in full swing. Are you all reading that Tokyo Olympians? Are you reading in newspapers? Are you updating? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Anyway, along with our curricular activities, sports are also given due importance. Please watch the videos and let me all wish you all the best in coming years. Do wonderfully well. And at the same time, invite you all towards today's National Sports Meet. Thank you, children.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.